It all begins with an egg. Sourced from Italy and Brazil, silkworm eggs are welcomed into a nursery located in the Cevennes, then entrusted to partner silkworm farmers or raised in-house for 25 to 30 days. A single food source, the mulberry leaf. A single rhythm, that of living things. There is something rare and patient in this process, something that cannot be negotiated. As they reach maturity, the silkworms begin their spinning. It is at this precise moment that Sericyne chose to intervene and to invent. Through a patented process unique in the world, the silkworms naturally spin their silk flat across level supports. In 2 to 3 days, an exceptionally high-quality non-woven material is born, Sericyne silk. Each sheet is harvested, inspected, graded. The silkworms then transform into butterflies. The natural cycle respected to the very end. From this living material, exceptional objects are born. In leather goods, Sericyne silk is worked like leather for watch straps, cases, and accessories. In cosmetics, it becomes a face mask, an eye patch, and ingredients. In design, it adorns the packaging and objects of the world's most prestigious houses. From design to finished product, everything is mastered in-house. Because this material deserves it, and so do the houses that choose it.